Hi guys, for today we're gonna play pure soccer with my friend Adam. Say hi.
What's this guy? Try to defend me.
Okay.
No!
It's okay.
Win the World Cup.
No. Pass. Kind of pass is that, bro? Oh, Timo Messi. Pass. Timo Messi. Pass.
Prime Messi.
Pass.
Wait, let me score. No!
You said, bro, you have to score. Yes, go! Come on, guys!
Messi join us.
Nah, bro. Hindi talaga ako.
Go! Score! Hanggang wala pa.
Pinipressure ako neto ni Zidane eh.
Zidane.
Nah, bro, you retired already, bro. What kind of a haircut is that, bro? Cut ang camera. Oh!
Yeah. I'm Sergio Ramos.
Come on, boy. Please. Pass here. Pass here.
Prime Penaldo.
Oh,
Prime
God,
Maya.
bro. I'm so open. Before they get here.
Let's go!
Zidane, great. We're losing. Oh, my God.
Oh my god.
Pass here. I'm so open. Open. I promise I'm so... Huh? I forgot. Wait.
No. Wait. They sacrifice it. Tackle mo. Listen.
Ito ayaw ko.
Di-dribble ko sila. Prime Messi.
Ano na? Pasa! Ay, nakamark ka na. Sobrang mark ka na. Ang daya, bro. Ang daya mo.
Go.
Hey! Oh my freaking God. Zidane?
What?
Ano ba ginagawa mo? I hate this thing, bro. Pass it already! Maga, bro. Sergio mo, bro! Bro! Pass! Oh my God! Crashing out, bro. Oh my God! Let's go! Yabba-dabba-doo. Yabba-dabba-doo. Oh my God, Zinedine Zidane! Timo Messi, Timo Messi, Timo Messi, Timo Messi.
Timo Messi versus Ronaldo. No! No.
Nah, bro, 100 out of 100 dribbling. See? Shooting 0. Oh my God, that was the worst shoot I ever seen in my life. That should be the Puskas Award. Oh my God, bro. What was this? Sudden death dispatch. The hardest match of ever.
Oh! I almost cooked it.
Us. Nag-change ng team. Too unfair. Cross, bilis! Ano ba? Oh God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, what are you doing, bro?
Us! No, dyan na si Zidane. Us!
Sue! Yes!
Power shot mo, power shot.
Yeah! What? Bro! Free play! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hey! Save it! Save it! Yes! Let's go! Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to click the subscribe button. Bye! Say bye. Say bye.
Bye!
Bye. Sue!